How do you feel? Going to Universal today, guys. So let's check back. I'm gonna try and show y'all what I can show y'all because I'm really excited to see Harry Potter. So we'll see. I'll try. See y'all. Nice, 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 nice. Sean and Lance.
Got a point too there.
Lance is vlogging now, y'all.
Which one do we want to go to first?
Get the Burnhams.
Terry, you gotta start letting somebody know when you're recording.
Fine.
Nice, nice.
Alright, still only 15 minutes.
What?
Still only a 15-minute wait.
Yes, Sean. Ooh, that's nice. Lord. It's about to run y'all right over. Oh, girl, you in it. Nice, nice, nice. Yes. We have to have a Harry Potter night.
Kind of like hidden.
Oh, and there's the dragon.
Dragon.
Ah, awesome. Leaky Cauldron. Oh, that's the Leaky Cauldron. That's where we can get the butterbeer.
Come back after the ride.
Yeah. Nice. Alright, I'm coming. Diagon Alley I. Oh. Nice. Yeah. Okay, what did everybody think?
Yay!
Did you like it, Sean?
It's good.
It's good, Lance?
It's good. Now next ride, roller coaster.
Oh gosh.
We gotta do everything together.
Yeah, we can. So we just got off of Escape from Gringotts. And y'all, I didn't know it was like an authentic roller coaster. And yours truly was on the ride screaming for Jesus. And I thought that was so funny because when I went fruit picking, I screamed for Jesus. But it was fun, y'all. But it was like a roller coaster. They didn't let me take my camera inside, so sorry. But it was so nice. Like the setup the day before, everything was just like
Men in Black.
So again, it was amazing. So we'll be back. Okay.
Oh, is every minute?
It's at certain times, different times. Butterbeer, y'all. Thanks, you too. Butterbeer, y'all. It's good.